G'day, I'm Lon from Darche, and today we're going to show you how to set up our new hexagonal barbecue and fire pit. Alright, so your barbecue and fire pit all comes contained in this nice little carry bag. So we just take the straps off the top of there first, and then we're going to first find the base plate here. That also goes down on the ground first, and then the body of the actual fire pit here just folds out and clips into the base. There's just 3 clips around the bottom on this one. So just clip those ones on. All right, and then next we're going to need to find your little cast trivet in there, that one there. So that goes in the bottom of the pit there. And then you've got your grill section, which folds out and sits on the top. There's a couple of different options for height on there. If you want to lower the height closer down to your flames, you can just drop it down on the side like that. So the next part, converting this into a dedicated smokeless fire pit, is where it gets a little bit different from our other barbecue products. So we're going to take that grill off the top, just put that to one side, and then in the bag here we've got this little hexagonal plate which sits in top of the fire pit there, and then we've got these 6 side sections which will lock together to turn this into a deeper fire pit. So I just slot together like that. Just all lock it in. I need to give them a little bit of a tap. And they should all slot together neatly. Last one's a little bit stiff. That's okay. All right, and then that whole section just sits right on top of the fire pit like that. You've got plenty of space in there for your fire and nice smokeless pit. All right, so there you have our new hexagonal barbecue and fire pit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.